Hi, I'm Bob Sockles with SAP in Dallas, Texas. Today I'd like to give you a less than technical overview about a very technical topic, which is how to get great results from your big data open source Hadoop investments. If you are a business side exec, I hope I hit the mark because it is very important that you understand the highlights to get the results you are looking for out of your IT expenditures. Most enterprises have realized that they have not been collecting and analyzing all the data that surrounds their business. They are now investing heavily in Hadoop and other open source stuff, hardware, software, people, to cost effectively save and leverage this data. Hadoop is the open source answer to big data, offering the ability to build monstrous distributed processing clusters that can manage terabytes and even petabytes of data. The world of Hadoop started as the wild, wild west of technology, initially driven by firms like Google and Yahoo back around 2006. More than a decade later, Hadoop offers great potential, but it is very much like a carpentry shop filled with raw wood and lots of great tools. You still need experienced carpenters to build beautiful kitchen cabinets, and scaling up production is difficult because more carpenters are invariably needed, but hard to find. To complicate the scenario, new tools are arriving daily at the receiving dock. The Hadoop ecosystem continues to evolve, but you still need talented technologists to assemble Hadoop and NoSQL clusters that offer excellent governance, airtight security, predictable scalability, and performance that hits SLAs as you begin to rely on these systems for business operations and decision making. At its very core, Hadoop makes it super easy to store all kinds of data. You don't have to be careful organizing the data on the way in, which slows things down. But the trade-off is that gaining insights from the data remains a difficult challenge. Adding to the demand for Hadoop human resources, most data analysis that is accomplished with data stored on Hadoop clusters requires talented data engineers or data scientists who write their own relatively low-level code to perform queries and interpret results. Full-featured BI clients like Tableau or Qlik cannot be used effectively unless you create organized structures on top of the raw data, which is by no means trivial work. Of course, as more incoming data flows are added, there is a constant effort to advance the structuring. Most Hadoop users wind up using plain, simple SQL tools and programming languages, which offer great flexibility, but simultaneously require more technical data engineering. Because the open source community continues to spawn software add-ons like rabbits in a carrot farm, a great number of boutique consultancies have been founded to help customers keep up with which components to use for various challenges, recruiting a lot of the best human talent. The problem has become staggering because there are now a massive amount of big data tools and open source projects to choose from. There are severe constraints on the number of experienced humans in relation to demand and growth, and a specific solution stack for any given cluster is complex, with lots of possible permutations. A final decision-making complication is that there's lots of uncertainty in the open source market because there is no one long-term strategy in the community-driven environment, and there are absolutely no guarantees that any product will still be around in a year or two. Software vendors, such as SAP, see great opportunity to bridge the gap between do-it-yourself Hadoop open community systems and engineered systems, adding value to Hadoop by creating software that enables a broader community of end users, including business analysts, to create great analytics on Hadoop, to speed up value creation from Hadoop data, and to make the process much more self-service than most Hadoop and NoSQL tools offer. SAP's biggest contribution to the Hadoop world is the Vora platform. Vora is software that resides directly on your Hadoop system and brings many of the most loved capabilities of HANA Analytics to Hadoop, enabling excellent data modeling for analytics, fast in-memory performance, simple enrichment of Hadoop data with connectivity to HANA, and enterprise-hardened reliability. Vora adds to the functionality found in Spark, enabling business analysts to work productively on Hadoop without needing daily IT technologist assistance. With Vora, you can get SQL access to relational, time series, JSON, and graph computing engines, a web interface that offers drag-and-drop modeling, and metadata persistence to better support disaster recovery, all in one platform. Without Vora, you must configure, manage, administer, test, and merge data from multiple independent environments, adding multiple layers of complexity to your effort. When you use Vora, your analytics team will be able to uncover actionable insights much more quickly from your Hadoop data. Your technology team will be able to simplify IT landscapes with a unified solution for big data, and most importantly, you will enable better self-service analytics on big data for all. Here's the bottom line. Vora simplifies and empowers analytics for enterprises that want faster value from their Hadoop big data investment. Vora expands the self-service aspects around getting insights from Hadoop to business-side analysts, not just hardcore data scientists and engineers. Lastly, Vora connects big data in Hadoop to SAP HANA datasets, letting you enrich big data with crucial details from your corporate data, such as finance, HR, asset, supply chain, and other ERP sources. Ask your SAP account executive to connect you with your database and data management innovation specialist for more information on Vora and how SAP can help bring ease of use and enterprise hardening to the open source Hadoop-centric big data world.